Hey guys, welcome. My name is Seb Mars. In today's video, we're talking about making an intro for your YouTube channels and videos. So stay tuned, I'll be showing you how. Basically, there is two ways to go about it. You could either learn to do motion graphics, or you can use software and websites like Placeit and Video Hives. Basically, there is two ways you can go about this. One, you can use After Effects and learn to do motion graphics by yourself. Or two, you can use templates and modify the template to your need and your channel's artwork and branding. So basically, there is two ways you can go about doing an intro for your video on YouTube. You can either learn to motion graphics with After Effects, or you can go to a website like Placeit and do it by yourself using a template that is highly customizable. Today I'll be showing you the number two way, which is using Placeit and customizing a template to your needs for your channel's branding and look and feel. So let's jump in the computer, so I'll show you how. On my computer, so I'll be showing you Placeit and how to use it to do your intro videos for your YouTube channel. So basically, you go into design mode. No, video mode, sorry. And you go into video intros, and then you can see there's a lot of choices where you can use any of these templates, pre-made templates to do your intro video. We'll start with an easy and simple one. We'll start with this one. Alright, here we are. So first of all, I'll upload my logo, crop it to the size you want it. So here is the preview with my logo. Pretty cool, huh? That's awesome. Let's change some colors, see how it looks. So I'll go with dark blue for the background. I'll change the gradient to green. As you can see, I changed a bit the colors of the artwork, and we'll see how it looks now. As you can see, it looks great with the colors and everything. So there's one way of doing it. We'll go back and we'll look at it, another video that's more up to it. So let's look. Let's try this one. So I'll upload again my logo, crop it to the size you want. You can change the text to whatever you want. I change it to my channel. Let's change the colors to a more suitable for my channel's branding. As you can see, it's changes in real time, so it's pretty cool. So you see the preview of the bumper. Looks pretty good with the colors and everything. The logo sliding in. It looks very professional for something that's gonna cost you. You see, it's gonna cost me $9.95 to get that intro done. Paying a Fiverr motion designer would cost you maybe $5 to $25, $50 to get an intro like this. So you could do it yourself. All you need is your logo, and the colors of your branding, and you can get away with it for $9. Or let's look at the pricing. So if we look at the pricing, it's $89.69 a year or $14.95 a month, uh, which is pretty cool. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.